If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
Okay guys, she's making the salad now. Filipino salad. Filipino cucumber salad.
Hallelujah.
See this Mary Grace. She's doing Filipino salad. Cucumber salad. With a sinamak that she also sealing. Okay guys, that's it. Sinamak means maraming lamas. Lots of spices. Lots of spices. Different spices. There's chili on there. There is chili, ginger, what is that? Black pepper. Isa pa to kanang garlic. And unsa pa gani gibutan sa sinamak. Yes, additional lemon and onion, and she is going to put also the ginger and the lemon and the pepper, bell pepper. Yes, and Siggy is crying. The majority is kasalukuyang they move, and now they are getting thirsty now. They're drinking water, 1 gallon of water. We should never let it go. We should never let it go. See that ribbon? Smile naman, John. Smile. See that? She's slicing now the onion. And the ginger. Tangan po na paminta no powder. Pwede mo na. Oh, lamig ko dito ng paminta powder. Let's paminta powder. Timberland. Ingnon man ni Gilbert to. Ang kiluhan ta. Okay, now she's mixing with the lemon juice. That. And the pimento powder. Ay na lang kung sarao. Tangin na lang natin. So, diha.
Yan na lang gumay. Yan na lang.
Or pimento powder with little bit, only 1 teaspoon. And the sinamak, sukang sinamak, vinegar with the spices, all the spices in there.
Kung kuhan na, ambot na, bago kuhan na, naman siya.
Wow, that's gonna be tasty.
Asin, ayaw ugasin te.
Asin lang, asin, gamay. that's it. With the salt, and that's it. It's alright if you put some chili on this. It's done. It's done. Thank you. Thank you, Grace. Thank you. Butangin na lang asin bi gamay. Gamay lang, Grace. Daghang kain na. Tama na. Okay. This is the kitchen of Ate Mila. Look at that. She's washing the dishes. And this is her refrigerator. This is her table. Always we are eating in here. This place. And her tindahan. That's her tindahan. Thank you. Thank you, Grace. Thank you, Ate Mila. Okay. Thank you. Out of my consciousness, I did time lapse these clips. I'm sorry, but I think this is so delicious. And Arnold tasted also eat with us. Oh, see, the cucumber is very delicious. Filipino salad, cucumber salad.
So delicious. The cucumber balance the saltiness and the sourness of the vinegar.
The chili.
Plus this one, the onion, it gives the kick. Grace, imo ning ibalik ya, Grace. Sure ko, ang pinagara sinamak. Dami!
This is the sinamak, the suka, the vinegar, sinamak, the name sinamak. Because there is, what is this? Hot sauce, hot chili in the vinegar. See, she's selling it, how much? 150. 150, one long neck. Wow. That's what she's selling. Sinamak.
Masarap na ito tangga sa cucumber.
Oh yes, this is masarap. Putting into the salad cucumber. Yeah. Look at Arnold pa, she's eating now.
Finish all the cucumber.
And the cucumber is, look at that. Gilbert is talking with Rob. The majorates are practicing their moves, and while I'm taping this video, we are in Arroyo, and we witness the practice of the corps, the drum and lyre corps of the Pinoy Foundation. The situation now in Arroyo. Hi Paula, say hi to my vlog. Paula is the one who helps the majorates to do their acts, do their moves. Naka-video mo. manggahan. How festive is now. This is how festive is manggahan now. Everybody say hi. Yan, napakasaya na nila guys. Thank you sa movie. See, that's the grandmother of one of the recipients that she's going to went to cinema today, and Jerilyn and Arnolfa and Jemalyn. Say hi to my vlog. Shout out. And this is, what is this? She's Native American.
Native woman.
Native woman.
From Africa. No, I am the native Filipina.
Native Filipina. Yes guys, there's a lot of big people over here. Yes. These are our choir, some of the member of the choir, and it looks like you are tired, Joy. Tired ka, Joy? O makaano man mo, makarest mo sa'yo karon. Kaya wala may ano. This is the tindahan of Mary Grace. She's got a lot of product to sell. The bulad, the saging, the bulad, different kinds of bulad, dried fish. This is bolinaw, this is pinikas, and this is we call it goodbye my head. And this one is another kind of banana. See that? She has papaya, repolyo, Chinese pichay, and tinangkong, and this is, what is this? This is, I forgot this one. And this is talong, this is eggplant, this is the lamas here. Different kinds of lamas, the carrots. And this is also Manilin store. Oh, sagi. Barbecue nga sagi. O ang nagbantay si Manjo. Hi, Pujo! This is the juice of this is the mais, corn, sweet corn. See? This is now the juice of mango with the moringa powder with the different fruits, especially the banana and the watermelon. The watermelon is already sold. And they put condensed ni Jo kanang ibap. This is ibap milk together with the juice. See how festive here. Apil ka ganina? Nauban ka? Okay. See that girl there? Jemalyn and Giselle. Giselle and Jemalyn. Jemalyn is a majorette. She was a majorette on her time before. On her time before. Sa panahon niya, she is a majorette. One of the majorette. This is Mama Berta. Look at Mama Berta. Senior citizen na siya pero she's still beautiful. Oh, di ba? Mama Berta and her apo. Apo.
May anak ni Kuwait na panganay.
Ni Mary Grace. Ay, kaduha si LG ang kinamagulangan. Ikatulo si Erwin.
Parang ang papa.
Nara ang papa nila. Kanang nagbubo na ila papa. Now the three tutors entering the practice of majoring. Ang teacher kay si Kuan. Si Jerilyn. Si Jerilyn ang teacher.
Para ni teacher, makabukol ang estudyante.
How the mga tutor eh. Wow. This is the last row. The last row of practice. The second to the last row. And Jillian with Jillian and with Joy and with Jana. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, share and please subscribe and press the notification bell for you to be notified sa mga bago naming upload na videos. Please like, share and comment with our Pinoy Rock YouTube channel.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.